Hello guys, so we are with the second part of the Christmas inspiration. So we have made these mixed media backgrounds together with a car in the last video if you want to see it. And now in order to have like coordinating tags in case you want to give some gifts with cars and tags, we are going to use the same background on a slightly different design. So as you can see, I'm not measuring anything. I'm just drawing on top of the background the tag. Well, it's not a tag, sorry. It's a recycle cloth label that I had because I collect them and then I give them a second use. I absolutely love to use things that matters to me and have sentimental thing for me, and so I am using the matte medium, the fluid matte medium, and I absolutely love this tool. This catalyst is so versatile for so many things, and I will be putting some weight on top of it, and I will leave it like this for around 30 minutes. And now that it's completely dry, I am just cutting with my hands the borders because I absolutely love the quality of border you get with it. And now to make everything together, I will be using this Posca marker just to make also some shadows on the borders. You could also use stamp ink for that. With a sponge probably, but I absolutely love these markers. I use them a lot. And now we are going to do the embellishments. So I like to have more or less the same design as the postcard. So I will be using these snowflakes, but this time with a different color because I thought that it would be great to give some contrast with the red. You can use regular cardboard in red color, or even paint some sheets and with red paint, and then use the punch. And well guys, this is gonna be the last video for this year. Yeah, I cannot believe that this is the last video. I have enjoyed a lot all the projects. I hope you too, and thank you very much for being here with me. It's a pleasure that you are here. And well, we continue building the layers. And sometimes I'm putting like two together to give some dimension. So you can play, as you can see, with the colors, sometimes white and red, and then playing also with the texture, giving the double snowflakes. And I absolutely love this project. It was so relaxing to punch all the snowflakes and also to glue them down. It's very relaxing for me. I absolutely love doing them. and I prefer to maintain all the video, because if you want to follow along it would be easier. And that's it. I have this like raffia for another package, so I am recycling again, and I think it gives like a little rustic touch that I like a lot. And that's it. You can also put the names, for example, with the stamps on a paper and put it on top of the embellishments, or leave it like this. I like to leave it like this in my case. And I will give you some ideas too. Just you can use the tag only with the background, and then, for example, use the embossing powers to put the names. And I also have these little tags that I made with a punch. So I hope you like it. Merry Christmas or happy holidays, and thank you guys. Bye.